Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best search keys 5, 11, 12, 13 to 14. The first key is called marker, better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. So it's a swipe selection alternative. This is called supercharge preview, and with this supercharge preview for jailbroken devices. This is called music gesture. Music gesture control and customize your music with gestures. This is called darkening V2 for front page. This is called network disabler. Compatible with iOS 10, 11, 12, and 13. Turns off Wi-Fi or cellular data, location services. Turn on airplane mode automatically when the select application is started. Next tweet is called App Store Plus Plus. We have some things to talk about with this tweet. This is one of my favorite tweets, I'm not going to lie. What it does allows you to downgrade or upgrade apps in the App Store. Cool. Block updates. Pretty cool. But the big thing, bypass turn to megabyte download it. Cool. Disable search ads and disable app then. Cool. The big thing that allows you to do is downgrade or upgrade apps. That's a big thing, you know. I mean, upgrade, but yeah, basically you can like downgrade, upgrade to like mostly any version of the app. So I think that's really cool. So just some updates. So basically, the test now adds so the developer can make some money out of this since he does, basically pay money for the server. So now there's gonna be ads when you guys update it, removed, and also there'll be also like a coin system where like you have to it's a coin per downgrade, which is you watch an ad to get a coin, so you don't have to pay, but a lot of us not tweakers, but a lot of us buyers who we buy tweets and stuff like that. We actually the customers, I guess, we suggest to the developers that this developer that make a pro version, make like a payment, like one-time payment, make it like $2 or $3, and then if everyone pays $2 or $3, that's all the money. That's a lot of money, because there's a lot of people who have this tweak. So easily the person would make $1,000, the developer of this tweak. They made this tweak like $2 or $3, and it's definitely worth $2 or $3. So I mean, but a lot of people buy this tweak, so it adds up. So definitely worth it. Instead of doing ads crap, I suggest just buying it one time and not do with anything. Because I'm okay with buying it. It's definitely a great tweak, and I'm definitely willing to pay some couple dollars for this tweak. But remove UI cache command on Cydia doesn't crash and call it DKD error. Okay, if it's an error, help you still. Okay, and I'll help you still if you're still in a jailbroken state. Also, someone use Odyssey and jailbreak, and then go to new line, and then go back to Unc0ver. Now, there are also tweets. Refresh obviously fits it, but that's the last resort because when you use jailbreak, when it fits for preferences, they are now stored in keychain as is between the three processes without doing SSL and BS. So this should fix the issue with although preference wasn't working for download options. Please make one normal OEM purchase update without the help of the App Store Plus to solve the unable to purchase at this time error. That's a big error. So pretty cool. This is called Signal Reborn, successor of the infamous Signal and Signal 2 by Plan B. It maps out all the cell towers in your local area. So what's the point of this? I don't really know, but it just gives you cool information and it tells you how far your cellular tower is away. Next we get called Sgnhtml, allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen. So supports iOS 9 and higher. It's kind of like you get those widgets like you do on iOS 14, but you can iOS 9 and 13 get those iOS 14 widgets. So dope. Next tweet is called Lizard, ultimate Reddit tweak with powerful features. You can tweak settings in the Reddit's page. This tweet is called Unicorn, download TikTok videos and many more enhancements. So it's like you can only download TikTok videos, dumb, but I guess you could download TikTok videos without that thumbnails. I mean, without that that mark. So you download TikTok videos, you get that TikTok logo. So you can actually hide that logo using this tweak. You can just download videos without that logo, I'm pretty sure. This tweet is called Fancy Selection. Change the hideous iOS text selection. You need at least iOS 13.4 or higher to use this tweak. This tweet is called Meredith. So tint color system wide for your favorite apps. This is actually a widget called Radio. It's Sgnhtml with new Bluetooth functionality. This is called text time. Display the time as text. This is called skip delete confirmation. This is called Aki or Aki2. Experience quick reply and compose quick messages and replies. Another outdated tweak like Aki2 or Aki2, whatever. Aki2 is byte SMS. And this, I believe, does the same thing. You can easily just, respond to people, quickly message people. So, next is called Smsg Swap, which is message swap, a more accessible way to send photos in iMessage. Next is called Auto Unlock and automatically unlock your device to the home screen with Face ID without swiping. Industry is called Plus for Instagram, and it's basically a Rhino alternative, Instagram plus alternative. So you get these features. So I'm gonna scroll down. You guys read the features. You can read the description below them to see exactly what they do. So pretty cool. The thing about these tweets, like Rhino and this tweet right here, which is Plus for Instagram, is that they get updated, so they support like the latest, Instagram versions. While I use Instagram Plus, and that has been updated for probably over a year. This is called FB Freeze, and this is a little Facebook Messenger read receipts. This is called Quick Unlock, and auto dismiss lock screen with valid Face ID. This is called Open Notifier, fully customizable SaaS notifier for iOS 5. This is called More Bar Ets 13, more status bar icons. This is called Nice Bar Ets free. This is called Backtricks, do back tap for quick actions. This is called I Don't Know You, and you have these features right here, so you have to tweet the pin, hide, secure, and block conversations like clockwork. This is called Clock delete clots and alarms with the swipe. This is called System Info, and allows you to get system information, also change the resolution, and get, like I said, additional information, all these information right here in your settings app. Outdated tweak system information allows you to view information about your device, just like System Info, but System Info is more updated. This has not been updated for a while.